As you know by now, my name is Hannah Field. My major is Extension Education, and I am from Jacksonville, North Carolina. Today I wanted to teach you guys a little bit about one of my favorite hobbies, crocheting. Crocheting has many health benefits, such as reducing stress, and can also aid in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Today I will be teaching you one of the most basic crochet patterns, a granny square. You all will probably recognize this pattern from the back of your grandma's couch. A granny square is one of the most simple patterns, and once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quickly. You can join granny squares to make projects such as afghans and blankets. To get started on your granny square, all you'll need is a ball of any type of yarn, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors for tying off. Once you've gathered these materials, you can get started on your granny square. To begin our granny square, we must first cast on to our crochet hook. Take the yarn in one hand and the crochet hook in the other. Bring the crochet hook underneath the yarn and back over, then pull through. You've created a sort of slip stitch on the crochet hook, which is the foundation for almost any crochet stitch. Next, we need to create the circle that will be the center of our granny square. The first step in creating the circle is making a foundation chain of 5 stitches. To create these stitches, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook 5 times. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now you have the foundation chain. Next, you need to join the chain to the beginning. To do so, insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. Now you have the circle that will be the center of the granny square. Now that we have the circle of our granny square, we can begin to build the sides and corners to make a square. You do so by creating clusters of 3 double crochet to build the sides with chain 3s in between. First, you make a chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Next, you will make a true double crochet by yarning over, inserting the hook into the circle, yarning over, pulling through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 double crochet. To create the third, do the same as the last stitch. Yarn over, insert in the circle, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We now have 3 double crochet, which creates one side of our granny square, which you will see soon. To create the corner, we will do a simple chain 3, just like we did in our foundation chain. Now we're ready to make another 3 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook in the circle, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you can see the corner of our granny square and one side. I will continue with this round and speed up the video so you can see it made. So far, we have 4 sides to our granny square that are made up of our double crochet clusters and 3 corners, which are chain 3 in each of the corner. To make the 4th corner, we must join where we are now in our chain 3 to our first double crochet by inserting the crochet hook, yarning over, pulling through both loops on the hook. Now we have our first round of the granny square. Now that we've completed the first round of our granny square, we can keep continuing on. To do so, you must create slip stitches in the tops of the 2 double crochet before the corner. To do so, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. Again, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Now you are at the corner. To create the next round, you will do so like you did in the beginning, off of the center circle. Chain 3, 2 double crochet, create a corner with 3 chain stitches. Now, since this is the second corner and we are creating additional rows, you will create a corner with 3 double crochet, a chain 3, and 3 more double crochet in the space. So we'll do 3 more double crochet, now that we must skip over the 3 double crochet that was our first round, we'll do chain 2 and then create a second corner as we did before. With 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. Now you can see that we have half of our second round of our granny square. You also have all of the steps you need to continue on. I will now speed up the video and continue on to show you additional rounds. A nice square that we could join to other squares like it to make a blanket. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video and have learned a little something about one of my favorite hobbies. So the next time you're at the craft store, go pick out a ball of yarn, pick out a crochet hook, and get started on your next project. And if you ever need any help, just find this video. Thanks everyone.